Hi, good morning. Today I will teach you 7th standard second lesson. सच्चाई. सच्चा दिवस. एक पेड़ था, उसका एक दोस्त था, उसका नाम अमर था. There is a tree and it has a friend. दोस्त means friend. उसका नाम अमर था. The friend's name is अमर. दोनों आपस में बहुत प्यार करते थे. Both of them they love each other. The tree and the boy they are good friends. They love each other. हर रोज अमर पेड़ के पास जाता था, उसके फल खाता था. Every day, हर रोज means every day. Every day Amar will go to the tree. And what will he do? He eats ripened fruits, sweet fruits of the tree. उसके पत्ते इकट्ठा करता था. And he also will collect leaves of the tree. इन पत्तों की माला बनाता था. He'll make one good garland with these leaves to tie to the doors and windows, etc. to decorate his house. पेड़ के तन पर चढ़ता था. He even will climb the tree trunk also. Children love to climb the trees, right? So Amar also always will climb the tree trunk. उसकी शाखाओं से झूलता था. So even he will make a swing with the branches of the tree. दोनों आपस में आंख मिचौनी खेलते थे. Both of them will play आंख मिचौनी. आंख मिचौनी means hide and seek game. They will play आंख मिचौनी. जब वह थक जाता तो पेड़ की छाया में सो जाता. When he gets tired playing, then he will take rest. He will sleep under the shade of the tree. इस तरह दोनों बहुत खुश थे. So this way they are very happily leading their life. So come back. एक पेड़ था, उसका एक दोस्त था, उसका नाम अमर था. दोनों आपस में बहुत प्यार करते थे. There is a tree and the tree has a friend. The friend's name is Amar. Both of them will love each other. हर रोज अमर पेड़ के पास जाता था, उसके फल खाता था. Every day he goes to the tree and he will enjoy eating the ripened fruits of the tree. पत्तों को इकट्ठा करता था. He will collect all the leaves and then what will he do? He'll make a garland. माला बनाता था और आंख मिचौनी खेलता था. He'll play hide and seek game and even he will swing also with the branches of the tree. This way, both when he is tired, he even will sleep under the tree, shade of the tree. And this way, the days are running very wonderfully. Happily, the days are being run. The second para. समय बीतता गया. अमर बड़ा हो गया. वह नौकरी की तलाश में शहर जाना चाहता था. This way, the days are running. अमर बड़ा हो गया. He was grown up. The child was grown up. वह नौकरी की तलाश में शहर जाना चाहता था. Now he wants to go to city in search of employment to look for his career. Now he wants to move to the city. उसके गांव और शहर के बीच में नदी थी. So there is a river between his village and the city. उसने सोचा नदी को कैसे पार करूं? Then he started thinking how to cross the river. Now I should go to the city in search of my employment, in search of my livelihood. Then how I should cross this river? He was thinking. सोचते हुए पेड़ के पास गया. So he was thinking like that and went to the tree because tree is his good friend. So whenever he has a doubt or any problem, he has a habit of going to the tree. Now because now he has got one thought in his mind how to cross this river. Now he went to the पेड़. पेड़ is tree. पेड़ को अपनी समस्या बताई. He told his problem to the tree. पेड़ ने कहा मेरी शाखाएं काटो, नाव बना लो. So he told his problem to the tree. Then tree gave reply. What it told? मेरी शाखाएं काटो. You cut my branches. नाव बनाओ. You make a boat. अमर ने वैसा ही किया. Whatever the tree told, that way Amar started doing. He made one now. He made a boat. Amar शहर चला गया. So with the help of this small boat, he could go to the city. वहाँ खूब पैसा कमाया. So there he worked well. He got a very good employment and he used it to earn both the hands. Happily he earned much more money. गांव लौटा। Then after that he returned to his village. गांव लौटने के कुछ दिन पहले उसके गांव में तूफान आया था। Before he started returning to his village itself, there was a big cyclone. What a cyclone will do? It destroys all the village. अमर का घर टूट गया था। So in that cyclone destruction, his house was totally destroyed, damaged. It was broken. टूट गया. The house was broken. वह पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. So he has the habit of going to the tree whenever he gets a problem. Now this time also he went to the tree. पेड़ ने कहा, मेरा तना काट कर अपना घर बना लो। अमर ने वैसा ही किया। Now he told his problem to the tree. The tree replied, मेरा तना काट कर, you cut my trunk. The trunk of the tree you please cut down, and then you घर बनाओ. You build a house. So as told by the tree, Amar also could cut the trunk of the tree and he built the house. So once again briefly I'll explain to you. समय बीतता गया, अमर बड़ा हो गया, वह नौकरी की तलाश में शहर जाना चाहता था. So days passed out and the boy was grown up. So now he is in search of an employment. In that he wanted to go to the city. उसके गांव और शहर के बीच में नदी थी. So there is a river between the village and the city. उसने सोचा नदी को कैसे पारूं? How to cross this river? That is his problem now. So as usual सोचते हुए पेड़ के पास गया. पेड़ को अपनी समस्या बताई. पेड़ ने कहा मेरी शाखाओं काटो. So as usual regularly he went to the tree. He told his problem to the tree. Tree told that मेरी शाखाओं काटो. Now बनाओ. You cut my branches and make a boat. So जैसा बोला वैसा ही किया. What the tree told, that way he started working out. He made one small boat and with the help of that he could cross the river. अमर शहर चला गया, वहाँ खूब पैसा कमाया, गांव लौटा. So he went there, he earned lot of amount and he returned. गांव लौटने के कुछ दिन पहले ही गांव में तूफान आया था. अमर का घर टूट गया था. वह पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. पेड़ ने कहा मेरा तना काट कर अपना घर बना लो. अमर ने वैसा ही किया. So before he returned to the house itself, there was a big cyclone and all the village was destroyed and so his house also. And now with this problem again he went to the tree and he told his problem to the tree. She replied, मेरा तना काट कर, you cut my trunk now and you can build a house. So whatever the reply he got from the tree, that way he started constructing a house there. बहुत समय बीत गया. अब अमर बूढ़ा हो गया था. वह सर्दी में कांपते हुए पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. समय बीत गया. Many more days passed. अमर बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया. बूढ़ा is old. Now अमर became very old. वह सर्दी में कांपते हुए पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. He was shivering. Those were winter days. Amar was shivering because he is already old. So with shivering body he went to the tree. पेड़ ने कहा मेरी सूखी लकड़ियां जलाकर अपनी सर्दी भगाओ. Now what it has no हरी भरी पत्तियां नहीं है उसके पास. क्या है? Dried sticks only are left with the tree. The tree told, you collect all my dried sticks and with that you make one small bonfire that will protect you from this severe cold. Amar ne वैसा ही किया. The same way Amar also worked out. So come back once again. बहुत समय बीत गया. Many days passed away. अमर बूढ़ा हो गया. वह सर्दी से कांपते हुए पेड़ के पास गया. So he became very old and so unable to bear the severe winter days, he went to the tree. The tree told, you are shivering with cold. So मेरे पास अब तो सूखी लकड़ियां है. What do I have? I have only dried sticks now. You collect all these sticks and fire them so that you can protect your body from the severe cold. So Amar also did the same. Next para. इस तरह पेड़ ने अपनी सच्ची दोस्ती निभाई. अपना सब कुछ दान कर लिया. अपने सच्चे दोस्त को खोकर अमर बड़ा दुखी हुआ। उसने पेड़ लगाने का निर्णय किया। इस तरह पेड़ ने अपनी सच्ची दोस्ती निभाई। So this way the tree could keep its true friendship with Amar. Whatever to the extent it can do, it served Amar and he kept his true friendship with the Amar. अपना सब कुछ दान कर दिया। Whatever it has sacrificed its fruits, its leaves, its branches, its trunk, and सूखी लकड़ियाँ, dried sticks also it would give for the sake of his best friend. अपने सच्चे दोस्त को खोकर अमर बड़ा दुखी हुआ। Now there is no tree, no more tree is left there. Now Amar is very disappointed, very unhappy because he lost a सच्चा मित्र, real friend he lost now in his life. उसने पेड़ लगाने का निर्णय किया। तो क्या किया अमर ने? अमर realized that he lost the tree and now he has taken a decision that I should plant trees. I should plant saplings and they should grow in size. So children, we all should protect the trees. They are giving us good paper, good fruits, flowers, etc. things. This is our minimum responsibility to protect the trees, save trees and save lives. This is the lesson, and in the next part I will teach you the meanings very clearly and also some grammar part. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.